Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide read receipts on Signal. If you've ever opened a message on Signal and instantly felt pressured to reply because they saw you've read it, yeah, we've all been there. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts, what actually changes after you disable it, plus some underrated privacy settings you should probably turn on too. So start by opening Signal app on your phone. Next, tap your profile icon in the top or top right corner depending on your device. Next, tap on Settings. This opens your main settings menu. Scroll down a bit and tap on Privacy. This is basically your control center for what others can see about you. Look for read receipts if it's turned on. Just toggle it off, just like so, and no confirmation needed, it applies instantly. Now, once it's off, no one can see when you've opened their messages. You won't see the red status either. It's a two-way setting, and group chats won't show who has seen the message. You will still see the delivery indicators like sent and delivered, not just read. So basically, you gain privacy but lose visibility too. Now, pro tips most people miss typing indicators. So you can turn this off if you don't want people seeing when you're typing in real time. So just turn that off. Now, for the app security or screen lock, you can add Face ID, fingerprint, or a passcode to lock Signal itself. So you can enable these two. And for the disappearing messages, you can set messages to auto delete after a certain time. It's perfect for sensitive conversations. So you can set it for 8 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, something like that, and then click on the check mark at the top. And that's everything you need to stay low key on Signal. So one small setting, but it completely changes how you control your conversations. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.